Hi, gentlemen. Just a query on one particular value, and that's the root 3 over 3. The query is that in this trick, obviously, it shows it as 1 over root 3. And I'll just demonstrate. Basically, remember we have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Remember, sine is count fingers down and cos is count the fingers up. While tan, remember, is equal to sine over cos. And the trick is you use the roots. So if I go a sine 30, because that's what we're looking at, sine 30, obviously I'll put this finger down, and so I'll have one finger, okay, 1 over 3 fingers, which is 3. Of course, the square root of 1 is 1, so that becomes 1 over 3. And the query is from the student is, of course, in this table, it is 3 root 3. Now, does anyone know why? I'll pause for a while. Think about it. We learnt this in semester 1, topic 1. Why did we why do we use root 3 over 3 rather than 1 over root 3? And remember, the answer is we prefer that the denominator is rational. In other words, we have root 3 over 3. That's a rational denominator, means it's a whole number, while this is a irrational denominator. Remember the old Q and Q dash. So the trick, of course, was to convert the 1 over root 3 to a rational. That's, of course, we multiply both top and bottom by root 3. That still says 1, because 1 times root 3 is root 3, and root 3 times root 3, or root 3 squared, of course, is 3. And so that's why they are one and the same. However, for the trick, we need to use 1 over root 3. So please recognize the quick. And the same can be said for root 2 over 2. That is 1 over root 2, which is also equal to root 2 over 2 because we rationalize the denominator. So another example of how all the topics start to build on each other, starting with third, a very simple concept, but of course now becoming very important and certainly something that needs to be understood carefully and always at the back of your mind. Have a good day.